So my name is Andrew Baylor. I'm the adult welding instructor at Eastland. This is my second year teaching, but I've got about 10 years of pretty diverse experience in the industry now. What I love about the industry is versatility of the projects you can work on, again, different materials and things. You can pretty much take a job welding in any part of the country, many parts of the world, many different environments. There's no shortage of welding work. No shortage on the horizon either.
I'm Steven Reed, and I've been in the program since August 22nd. I actually like the program a lot. It's helped me gain a lot of knowledge.
The exciting things for new students is just the different equipment we get to work on, and then all the processes that we can cover. So we have standard bandsaw shears for kind of general fab work, and then we have grinders that we use, hand tools. As far as the welding equipment though, we have many different types of welding machines, which really out in the industry you're going to see a lot of different stuff, so you can cover a good swath of machinery.
You get to meet a lot of different people. We're all from different cultures, different ways of life, so you also get to bounce ideas off them. You know, come check this weld out. What do you think I should do? What do you think I should do next time to fix it? Or, you know, have them come watch you run a beat, and they'll tell you what, you know, they think you did wrong and what you can improve on.
We cover stick welding, gas metal arc, flux core, and TIG welding. So those are all manual processes that are very common. Some of them are more specialized than others, and you're not going to see every process in every shop. So I think that's why it's good to cover them all. And then the machines we have are Lincolns and Millers, which are really high-end machines. But the diversity of machinery we have is important to get a good feel for things and have a good understanding.
It's pretty fun. It's like a laid-back atmosphere. I mean, you come out and there's people, you know, you see smiles. I mean, we all support each other. We all want each other to, you know, succeed.
So they'll get AWS qualifications as long as they can pass their bend tests in stick, MIG, flux core, and TIG.
My name's Matt Stoltz. I chose to do the evening welding class. Now, I've got a very creative mind, and I can visualize a lot of things I've wanted to do in my life, but I didn't know the right people to say, assemble this for me, or no, this is how I want it because this is the need. But now I'm able to do it. I can put what's in my head, and I can go out and actually put it together now that I'm learning the welding industry. As long as you come in with your goal in mind and keep on it, then there's nothing you can't seem to accomplish.